Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down and removing batteries so you can work safely and see the issue. Once done, remove the visible screws on the back and separate the shell carefully. This exposes the PCB and ribbon cables so you can inspect connections. Look for broken plastic tabs, missing springs, corroded battery contacts, or a detached flex cable. Doing this first saves time because you'll know whether you need simple cleaning, a solder repair, or replacement parts before advancing to more involved steps. Next, focus on the electrical and mechanical causes. You should clean sticky or oxidized contacts with high-strength isopropyl and dry thoroughly. This often restores responsiveness. If buttons or frets are unregistered, reseat the ribbon cable or use a magnifier to find cracked traces and carefully reflow them with a fine solder iron. This repairs continuity. For strum and tilt issues, check the switch alignment and potentiometer action, and adjust or replace the small plastic cams so mechanical motion. Finally, reassemble the shell evenly so nothing binds and the fret buttons align. Tightening screws uniformly prevents stress cracks. Then test on the console immediately. Press every fret, strum, tilt, and whammy to confirm function and run calibration if the game supports it. If problems persist, try swapping in a known good PCB, cable, or sensor to isolate the faulty component. One tip: if a button works intermittently, recheck solder joints and connector tabs. Cold joints are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.